If you are looking for the best home treadmill, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, ProForm Pro 2000 Treadmill. The ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill will help you train for your next road race indoors when the weather is bad. Runners who are looking for a treadmill with good all-around training capabilities will like the reasonably priced ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill. It has a 3.5 horsepower motor which allows it to stand up to daily use, and it boasts a belt deck that measures 22 by 60 inches, which is perfect for most runners. When you're training for races with hills, you'll appreciate this treadmill's ability to reach a 15% incline and a 3% decline, which better simulates hills than most other treadmills, according to the Top Fitness magazine review. Number 2. Weslo Cadence G 5.9 Treadmill Series. The entry-level Weslo Cadence G 5.9 treadmill can't be beat, coming in at a great budget-friendly price. This treadmill is Weslo Cadence G 5.9 treadmill, ideal for someone new to walking, jogging, or running. It has some great features that you don't typically find on an entry-level treadmill that will keep you interested in running. The best two features are heart rate monitoring and programmed workouts on the console. Heart rate monitoring is ideal for improving your fitness. The fact that the Cadence G 5.9 treadmill provides this option will ensure that you are getting a serious workout. If you do your research, you might be lucky to find another treadmill under $300 that provides heart rate monitoring. Number 3. NordicTrack C990 Treadmill. The NordicTrack C990 treadmill isn't a perfect treadmill, but its high-tech features and a great running experience make it a great buy for less than $1,000. If you love to run, you'll want a good quality treadmill that doesn't break the bank, and the NordicTrack C990 treadmill is a great option with its high-tech features, good motor, decent-sized running belt, and relatively affordable sub-$1,000 price tag. The 7-inch screen can connect to your Wi-Fi so you can watch Netflix while you run or view the metrics for your workout. You can even pretend you're running outside with access to Google Maps. It even has a fan to cool you down. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill. As a wild card for this list, I threw in the Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill because I wanted to know how it compared to $1,000 machines. I learned 3 key things about it. The entire machine is small, with a walking belt that's 48 inches long and 15 inches wide. All of the others I tested were at least 60 inches long and 20 inches wide. Walking and jogging on it felt cramped. My foot occasionally grazed the plastic cover at the top of the belt. And I'm only 5'3" with a short stride. Also, the maximum weight this treadmill can handle is 220 pounds or 100 kilograms. The max weight for all of the other treadmills on this list is at least 300 pounds. Number 5. 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill. The 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill delivers excellent performance and runs quieter than most treadmills. Few treadmills made for use at home will deliver the kind of quiet performance that the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill delivers. It's made for tall or heavy runners looking for a tough workout, but you'll pay more than $3,000 for the kind of quality that this 3G Cardio unit delivers. It has an OrthoFlex shock suspension system to minimize the stress of impact for runners, and the 22 by 62-inch platform is perfect for running. Tall people will also love it, according to Home Treadmill reviews. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.